Creating ring group. Ring group is the feature of the PBX where you want to club multiple extensions to ring together. For example, you have a sales team and each one of the sales professional is having its own extensions, let's say 1003 and 1004 and so on and so forth. So what you need to do, if there is any call on the sales number from outside, you want them to ring together. So those who picked up first, they answer the call. Something like you have the support or customer service. Now in customer service, when we talk about the customer service, we normally use the queue system, which is the call centers, and we'll be having a different course on that hopefully in the future, how to build the customer service in the call centers, etc. But this is something a ring group is something like you have multiple extensions like the administrations or any scenarios, and you want them to ring together whenever the call comes on it. So I'll show you how you can create the ring group. So let's see. Right now, as you can see, on the left side of the PBX configuration menu, I have the ring group feature available. We click on that. You can see the ring group default number is 600, which is fine for us. So we are not going to change it. It is just used by the system, by the Elastics. So what you will do, you will write sales RG ring group. This is the strategy. We just want to ring all when the call comes on this. The number of extensions that we want to include, and this is just for the sake of moment, just for the example, I'm including the managing director, which is not, in the practical world, the MD will never attend the sales call. But let me put this sales one. As you can see, this is just for the example. So I just want to ring these two extensions when the call comes on it. And as of now, I don't have any announcement. I'll show you the announcements later on. If you want to do some music on hold, yes, I have. I'll show you how you can configure the music on hold, which we have the features available. This is what it is. We'll see this later in the later video. As of now, we'll leave the default setting and I just give the description sales group and the extensions which are included in the ring group, sales ring group. What I'll do, if it is not answered, you want it to send back to the boss. Okay, so if the sales team do not answer it, so it will, if destination, if no answer, then it will go back to this extensions. Just click on that, save. Now what we'll do, as now we have just created the sales group. Inside our DID configurations, we are having this DID, which is our main, the main DID. But what I'll do, I just copy this because I just want to show you. Click on the incoming DIDs and I'll put it here and I'll change the number, which is, my sales number. If somebody want to contact my sales directly, so they can dial this number. The other numbers is I'm having for the managing directors. So I'll put the sales incoming. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's fine. Sales incoming. And what I'll do, I'll set the destinations to what? Yes, to the ring group. I'm just locating it. I don't know. It's just, yes, this is the ring group. We selected. We have only one ring group. That's it. And hit submit. Apply. Now what I'll do, right now I have two phones. It is free phone called Microsip. Very good phone. I just downloaded from the internet. This is the same old one which is I'm having from the managing director. This one, as you can see, and the other one which I have, issue receipt account, which is the server A, actually the sales A. Okay, so I'm putting that one and click save. And as usual, this is where I'm going to dial the number, which is this. Let me copy from here. What I'll do here, and let me bring all these phones together. So I want them, whenever I call from here, I want these two phones to ring together. So I'll put it here, this number, and as you can see, this is ringing, and this is ringing. Okay. Let me disconnect. As you can see, both of the phones start ringing together. So in practical scenario, this phone can be on a different PC or on a laptop. This can be on a different, or even better, you can plug in the hot phones, IP phones, and whenever the call comes on that particular number, sales number, whatever the number of extension you want to add, there is no restrictions on that. You can add up to 5, 10, whatever you have, and then just configure it. So whenever the call comes on that, and simply you can ring all these extensions together.